Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a mid-tine tiller. Before you even think about starting, always read your owner's manual thoroughly. Safety is paramount, so make sure you're wearing eye protection, sturdy gloves, and closed-toe shoes. Take a moment to inspect your tiller for any loose bolts or damaged tines. A quick check can prevent accidents and ensure smooth operation. Once you're geared up, it's time to prepare your soil. First, clear your garden bed of any large rocks, stubborn roots, or other debris that could jam the tines. The ideal soil moisture is crucial. It should be damp enough to form a ball but crumble easily. If it's too wet, you'll create clods, too dry, and it's hard to break up. Now for the actual tilling. Start your mid-tine tiller on a level surface. Engage the tines slowly, allowing them to bite into the soil. Maintain a consistent, comfortable pace, letting the machine do the work. For best results, make several passes, gradually increasing the tilling depth with each one. Overlap each pass by approximately 1/3 to ensure thorough and even cultivation across your entire garden area. After your tilling is complete, it's time for a quick cleanup and proper storage. Always turn off the engine and let it cool down completely before you start cleaning. Carefully remove any tangled weeds, roots, or soil from the tines. Store your tiller in a dry, sheltered spot to protect it from the elements. Regular maintenance, like checking the oil and spark plug, will keep it running smoothly for many seasons.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.